If you've ever gone out of your way just to grab a cup of soft, chewable nugget ice from your favorite coffee shop or convenience store, you're definitely not alone. Once you've experienced pellet ice, regular freezer cubes just don't feel the same. But can the Gevi version 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker really deliver that same experience from your own kitchen? Let's find out. The Gevi version 2.0 Countertop Nugget Ice Maker is designed for iced coffee lovers, families, home entertainers, and anyone who want a constant supply of soft pellet ice without making trips to buy it. It promises fast production, quiet operation, self-cleaning convenience, and the flexibility of both manual and automatic water refilling. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Gevi looks more premium than many countertop ice makers in this category. The stainless steel housing gives it a modern, high-end appearance that blends nicely into most kitchens or home bars. The viewing window is a practical touch because you can quickly check your ice supply without opening the lid. Although the machine is larger than many compact models, it's designed to fit beneath most standard wall cabinets, making it easier to integrate into everyday kitchen setups if you have enough counter space. Build quality is another area where the Gevi makes a strong impression. The controls are simple, clearly labeled, and easy enough for first-time users to understand. The machine feels solid during operation, and thoughtful design details, like the insulated ice basket and generous water reservoir, make it feel like it's built for regular daily use rather than occasional weekend entertaining. The real highlight, of course, is the nugget ice itself. Often called pellet ice or chewable ice, it's soft enough to chew comfortably while still cooling drinks efficiently. Unlike traditional hard cubes that simply sit in your glass, nugget ice absorbs the flavors of iced coffee, tea, soda, lemonade, or cocktails, making every sip a little more enjoyable. If you're someone who finishes the drink just to eat the ice afterward, this machine delivers exactly the texture you're looking for. Performance is impressive for everyday households. It can produce a substantial amount of ice throughout the day, and the large insulated storage basket helps ensure fresh ice is available whenever you need it. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, filling coolers for a party, or simply making iced coffee every morning, the machine keeps up without requiring constant attention. One feature that sets the Gevi apart from many competitors is its dual water filling system. You can manually pour water into the reservoir whenever needed, or connect the unit directly to a water supply for automatic refilling. That flexibility is particularly useful depending on where you plan to place the machine. If you're using it as a permanent countertop appliance, the automatic refill option can make daily operation even more convenient. Another pleasant surprise is the noise level. Ice makers naturally produce some sound while operating, but Gevi has clearly put effort into keeping this machine relatively quiet. The upgraded compressor and cooling components help reduce operating noise, making it suitable for open kitchens, offices, or entertainment spaces where loud appliances can quickly become annoying. Maintenance is equally straightforward thanks to the built-in self-cleaning function. Regular cleaning helps maintain ice quality while reducing mineral buildup inside the machine. Gevi also recommends using water scale prevention, especially in areas with hard water, which can help extend the machine's lifespan over time. Of course, there are a couple of considerations before buying. This machine takes up more counter space than ultra-compact nugget ice makers, so measuring your available space beforehand is important. Like most countertop ice makers, it also isn't intended to function as a freezer, meaning used ice will slowly melt and recycle into the reservoir, which is perfectly normal for this type of appliance. If this review helped you decide whether the Gevi version 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker is right for your home, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're ready to enjoy fresh nugget ice whenever you want, check out the link in the description to see today's latest pricing and available deals.